Hey YouTube, this is Nordic Brit. Everyone has noticed that the Bitcoin price and other cryptocurrencies has dropped quite a lot, as well as the stock market in quite a few areas. So now is a good time to basically buy up some. I don't recommend putting all of your money and resources into Bitcoin and into stocks, because if the system crashes, then there are various weaknesses for the crypto market as well as the stock market, and it might not help you later. You need to make sure that you divest your resources into stocks, crypto, and tangible goods for trade, but also for things like generating electricity, battery banks, food, things to keep warm. If the recent storms in Texas and stuff don't show, it shows you that the system collapses very quickly under stress. Now, the current drop in prices could be one of two things. Firstly, it could be to do with the fact that it's just correcting itself. It makes sense because it's overinflated right now. Or it could be kind of the calm before the storm of a kind of much bigger collapse. These are all possibilities. Now, everyone says that this is impossible until it actually happens, and this has happened before. So do take note of that. The main thing that I want you to take away from this really short video is just that never put all your eggs in one basket. And if this is just a correction, and given the kind of rise of cryptocurrencies adoption in other companies and across the system, you're going to see these values go up. It's inevitable. As things get used more, they become more valuable, especially if there's a limited amount of it, which is what Bitcoin is. So Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are going through a kind of correction right now. And if the system is going to continue and it doesn't collapse, then these things that you buy today will be more valuable in a few months' time. In a few years, they could be a lot more valuable. So there's obviously loads of speculation in there. There's tons of it, lots of experts. And the fact is that there is really not much grounds to state about whether you're an expert or not in this field, because it really is a matter of just tracking predictions from things that are before, things that are coming. But right now, there are so many unknowns. Be careful where you take your advice from. I personally have various investments across a range of different things for prepping, and also to try to use it as a way to gain financial freedom later. And that's really important, because you have to play the game to get out of it, as so to speak. So try to divest. If you've got available funds, now would be a good time to buy some cryptocurrency. There are loads that have dropped down in value. The market will correct itself. Of course, Bitcoin is a pretty normal one. Ethereum has a lot going for it. Anything based on the Ethereum chain itself would be a really good idea. But yeah, I just wanted to give this out there to everyone. Just make sure you're looking at your different investments and different options that you have, because if the system continues, you want to better help fund to get off of it. And if it does collapse, then you need to make sure you've divested in other areas as well. Food, have some weeks, if not months of food stored away, have a way to keep warm, have a way to generate electricity. These are the important things. And then if you can do that, then anything extra on top, stocks and crypto, is good. But just a quick one today, guys. I hope everyone's doing well. Please do keep safe. New variants of the virus. The vaccinations are rolling out, but they're slow in some places. Be careful, and I will see you in the next video. Nordic Brit, out.